Have you ever shopped for home improvements before? You know how frustrating that can be. Long hours wasted with a commissioned salesperson, trips to showrooms, negotiating over inflated prices and whatnot. What if there was an easy way to eliminate all the hassles and make the experience enjoyable and relaxing? Enter Zen Windows. With Zen Windows, you don't have to deal with pushy salespeople. You just communicate easily over the phone or via email for easy-to-understand information and online quotes. We don't ask for upfront deposits like other companies. You only pay once the job is done and you are completely happy. Salespeople tell you what you want to hear. Zen Windows' impeccable reputation comes from consumers who tell you what you need to hear. While other companies try to trick you with games and gimmicks, Zen Windows just offers the best prices and high-quality installations at a fair price. Also, we don't put any pressure on you to buy our services. Instead, we just provide you with the information necessary to make an informed decision and respect your time and intelligence. Purchasing new replacement windows for your home has never been easier. If you want to find out more, visit us at www.zenwindows.com.